Hello friends, good day to you. Today let's discuss one topic, how to avoid the wrong color when ordering PPGI steel. Jianhui Steel Factory will show the following 5 methods. Number 1, sample comparison. Number 2, color card reference. Use standard color card or chromatogram. Number 3, request sample production. Number 4, detailed steel specifications. Number 5, after receiving the goods, conduct strict acceptance. Generally speaking, through the comprehensive application of the above 5 methods, you can avoid the wrong color when ordering PPGI steel to the greatest extent and ensure that the final product meets your requirements. If you have any questions, please contact me as soon as possible.